We are working on a Dell Inspiron 5518. Now what the problem is, the customer brought it in, he can't see his SSD. Now I'm going to show you the solution of the repair. So first I'm going to show you what happens, and then I'm going to show you the repair, if you just bear with me. So here we come, we start setting it up. Windows 11, we accept everything, go next. Accept. So if you see, we can't see the SSD. So I'm going to stop this here and then I'm going to show you how it's done. So what we do is we power it back on. Once the power is on, you press F2. That's right. So there, F2. Now what we need to go is into storage. If I can just show you it here, let's clear this. So go to storage, and then if you see it's on RAID, we move it to from RAID to AHCI NVMe. We click it to that, press yes, apply, okay. And now we restart the machine. What I've done, it's powered on. So we come to the same screen again, press it again. So we're to the Windows screen now, so we press next, next, we agree, and now you should see the SSD after we've done all the settings. There we go, we accept. And if you see, there's our 500 gig SSD. And we press next. And we accept everything and we start installing Windows. So there, that's how you do it.